Now, you know what I like about these cars? I just like the way they drive. Now, don't get me wrong, they look absolutely amazing, but when you're driving one of these, you feel completely different. Like from the steering wheel, the suspension, the comfort, the seats with a lovely sort of armchair effect, and I just like the way they roll. Genuinely, I think they're amazing. Now, this was a 2018, 41,000 miles, 3-litre diesel with a beautiful specification in this amazing metallic silver, going live right now, and it won't hang around too long, because if you look at the sort of platforms like Auto Trader and all the other sort of car websites, on the 2018, a lot of them isn't the new shape, it's the previous model. So if you look at the price of this car, we've priced it really taking into consideration that it might have been a new old shape, and it's not, it's the new model Range Rover Vogue. So you've got the new interior with a sort of lovely ceramic finish, the new headlights, the bumpers. And with 41,000 miles on, this is absolutely stunning. It looks brilliant. The full black styling pack on it, which is the black badges, the black grills, the inserts, the mirror caps, contrasting black roof, front rear parking sensors, reversing camera system. But when I mentioned about the drive, I genuinely mean it eats the road. Literally, you get in it, double glazed windows, you don't hear a thing, it's super comfortable. But then you have things like this, the upgraded 21-inch alloy wheels, absolutely stunning. Great design, the spokes on it, there's no scratches, there's no scuffs, mud flaps front and rear, the fixed matte black and double black gloss side steps, the lovely black atlases, comfort access, sun protection glass, and I like this look as well, because a lot of them haven't got the roof rails, and it has another off-road vibe to it. But then look at that interior, it's absolutely stunning. Full black leather interior with electric seats. You've then got memory seats for driver and passenger. It's all black, and I think with black interior, you just get a nice clean look all the time. The upgraded steering wheel with a wood finish to the top and bottom, heated steering wheel, full touchscreen, climate control and media system with sort of the DAB digital radio, navigation. You've then got the full tilt and sliding panoramic roof. But look at the leather condition. It's such a nice big seat. It's so comfortable. So when you're sat in here, you're sat nice and high up, like brilliant position. Split dash there, top and bottom. Lots of receipts in there. 2 keys, and this car's also got the fridge as well. So where the armrest is, you press the button and you have the 2 settings for the fridge. Obviously automatic gearbox, heated seats, dual zone climate control, the lovely piano black finish there with the extended leather and the Meridian sound system. The same goes on here as well. So you've got rear heated seats, 3rd zone climate control, 5-volt sockets there, the pockets there for the iPads and magazines. If there is only 2 passengers in the back, then you have the centre armrest with more cup holders and a cubby hole section there. This electric blind goes all the way back, I'll show you, so that you can let all the sun in, and it just feels nice and airy. From the handles, which are all leather wrapped, to the seat where you can recline them, there's a button there and you can have it tilted so you're sat upright, depending whatever your comfortable position is. But I just think, as far as cars go, these are absolutely magnificent. And you know what, because this is the new shape, it looks very, very expensive. It's a very good looking car. Black badges, black rear trim, automatic tailgate with the LED rear lighting system, the signature split boot. Press that button there. I have mentioned this all the time, and I mentioned the other day, I'm always taking my kids to football and stuff. Now I'll sit on it because you can. I'll change his boots on it, so I'll sit him down, take his shin pads off, so it's useful. Then the boot's massive, so if you are going to the kids to the park and you want the scooters to go in there, if it's a bike, if it's just shopping, how many times do you go for the weekend and you can't get all your bags in the car? With this one, you haven't got that problem. In here, you've got the spare wheel, and then this car has the electric deployable Towbar. So you press that button there, takes a few seconds, the Towbar comes out. Utilise it, once you're done with it, press the button again and it falls away. That easy. So when you're not using it, it's out of sight, out of mind, it doesn't look hideous. It's just perfect. I got in the way, the sensor's caught up. Press the button. There's no dents or scratches in the car. It's been very, very well looked after. All the wheels are in perfect condition. The driver's seat. Now this is where it takes all the impact on any given car. And it doesn't take 41,000 miles, but if the previous customer hasn't been careful, you can see a lot of wear mark there, a lot of cracks and wear mark here. But this one you can see, it's brilliant, and I do mean that. Electric windows and mirrors. All this is touch sensitive and illuminated as well. Paddle shift, automatic headlights, window wipers, and then you have the full digital dash. And we talk about this all the time and we just take it as a given really, but a lot of the new cars now, they're not putting digital dash in because the chips aren't available, the modules aren't available. So a car like this with a full digital dash with the satellite navigation displayed all over that, for me it looks modern, it looks up to date, it looks really good. Reversing camera system in high definition with the guidelines just there. This is so easy to use. If it's seats, press what you want. You can do the rears, control them from there. And then the climate control, where you want the air to be blown. And again, you can control the rear as well. Turn it on and off and where you want it to go. It's so simple. The different drive terrains, so you can pick which one you want, and you've also got air suspension as well. 41,000 miles, this beautiful 3-litre diesel in the metallic silver with a black styling pack, upgraded wheels, deployable side steps, tilt and sliding panoramic roof. Doesn't get much better. My name's Joe, my name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, bye bye now.